In this video, we are making hot dogs like never before. Are you hungry for recipes that won't break the bank or take up your entire day? Look no further, because we've got you covered. Be sure to like, subscribe, and let's get cooking. We are going to start off by putting 8 Hawaiian buns in a pan. We are then going to cut a rectangle out of each bun. Now we are going to make our mixture. This mixture consists of half a cup of melted butter, a tablespoon of minced garlic, and a tablespoon of parsley. Now that our mixture is done, we are going to spread it all over our buns. We are now going to put our buns in the oven at 355 degrees for 7 minutes. Now it's time to add some mozzarella cheese, then spread some of our sauce in there. We are now going to add in our hot dog before topping it off with more sauce and cheese. It's going back in the oven at 355 for about 10 minutes. Our hot dogs are now done, so let's plate it and see how it tastes.
Look at that. That looks delicious. It really does. I think I could eat like 5 of these. Wow. You have to try these. And that Hawaiian roll, it gives it that sweet and kind of salty, I guess. That's really good. That is really good.
If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe and check out our other cooking recipes. Stay tuned for next week's recipe video. Thanks for watching.